Hello my dear foodies! Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Festivals and celebrations are incomplete without sweets. So today here I am with my mom's special recipe Malai Laddoo, which requires minimal ingredients and just takes 5 minutes to prepare. Regarding taste, I can guarantee you it's a delicious laddu anyone might have ever tasted. Let's get started. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel with bell button. Take a pan, add 1/4 cup ghee, add 2 tablespoons chopped cashews and roast until golden brown and crisp in medium flame. Keep them aside now. To the hot ghee, add 1 cup milk powder, 1 cup powdered sugar and a pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Combine everything together. Please note I have switched off the flame now. You can make laddus at this stage, but to get the perfect texture to the laddus, I have grinded this mixture once. Now it looks perfect to make laddus. Take it on a plate. Add fried cashews and combine everything well. Now start making the laddus. Yummy Malai Laddoo is ready now. Also, it just melts in the mouth. It's looking tempting, right? So definitely do try this laddu recipe at home and enjoy with your family. I'm sure everyone will fall in love with this laddu. If you like this video, then definitely you must hit the bell button under my video. See you guys soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.